Stop number 3 for the raffle. Stop number 3 for the raffle, you guys. Yeah, I might as well shoot. I'll look around, see what's going on, compare what they got compared to the other places. These Michigans haven't. Dang, that's crazy. I so thought these were sold out. The other place had the Faris, this place had the Michigans. That's crazy. What size? I can't tell what size it is, but it's a smaller size, not a bigger size. They still got the shadows, dang. Good price too, man. I should have copped these at the outlet when I had a chance. $130. Yeah, super. It's a size 9, so I like to have the unwanted size. That's pretty nice. Got the Orlando's, go for $140. Got the Lakers. Got the Satin 5s, $150. Not bad. Some of these Team Jordans, they're not looking bad. I don't know what the hell this is, but $130. Not terrible. He's down to 100. Holy shit. These are down to 100. Oh my god. Oh, that is crazy. $100, you guys. Gotta check the hydros, you guys. You know, gotta check the hydros. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Let's see what size they got these in. It's a size 13, so they probably got these. Oh, they got these. They got these. These are nice. They got the breads. These aren't on sale. The 4 breads. Got the 4. Was it the fire? White fire? I don't know. Oh, got the white cement. They got a selection. Selection's nice, dude. Got the infrared, 6 infrareds. I got 6 infrareds, and then what's this? I already got a couple of these. And the selection is sick. Oh, I got a couple of these as well. Hey, dude, should I just get one of each? This is all their team stuff, I guess. Team Jordans. This one don't got the other, like the KDs, like it doesn't have the LeBrons. It doesn't have the other. Oh wait, actually they do. This one's different. This one's actually different. Okay. Harry Friends. No, nothing too crazy. The blue one, whatever that one's called, the Galaxy one or something. Got the what's this? Oh. Yeah, got the LeBron. Oh dang, it's $100. The kids actually. Damn, good deal, $100. Yeah, their sales be good out here. Holy crap. 160, the regular. Oh, these are $100 too. Yeah, y'all need to hit up Shoe Palace. This is crazy. This is MSRP 185. Yeah, y'all need to hit up Shoe Palace. Y'all like the LeBrons. These the kids? Oh man, dude, don't tell me these. No, there's no way these are the kids. Look at this. Oh, these are the grown-ups, man. They got some crazy sick deals. They got the pennies in all black right there. That's not bad. Damn, they got some sick deals, you guys. What? Look at this, you guys. Yeah. These boots up for $225. They let them go for $99. XXL though. Double XL. They don't have any smaller sizes. Yeah, oh, this one's even $50. $50 MSRP. Oh, we're gonna have to look at this. MSRP is $119 for this one. This one is really nice, maybe. It's the same. I don't know if it's not marked properly or something. $120. I must have mismarked these. Okay, so these are the stitched ones, obviously, the authentics. And this is kind of like the, I guess the Swingman equivalent. I don't know, Nike's new. Not new, they've been doing the Lakers shirts for a few years now, but iron on leather bushes. Stitched. Dang. $100. Dang, I wonder what the resale of these is. I'm thinking, you guys, I know these will sell. These go for 200. Oh, not this one. Yeah, these go for 200 on eBay, but because it's a triple XL, double XL, and I think this one's triple XL. They're all so big that they're gonna wait. I haven't seen one triple XL sell on eBay yet, or double XL either. They're all just larges mostly. So I know it'll sell. It's just gonna sit there for a couple months, and my girlfriend's gonna get mad. I think this is the biggest. They got more shoes here than any other shoe palace I've seen. Nice. So Vans side, Vans and Pumas. You got the Adidas section right there. Little sale section in here. 312. Not a terrible color. 9.5. $50. Yeah. Normally 130, $50. Cheaper than the outlet. That's crazy. So I looked at all the sale stuff, mostly generic Nikes like Tangens, the 312s, which aren't bad, but I don't know. Is there a resale on these? Probably not. I'm not down for those shoes. Got a real good selection of the kids section too. And this is a spot right here, maybe because they got a House of Hoops in this mall too, so they stepped their game up. Nice. Here, just like the other shoe palace, they got the Ultra Boost 2019s on sale. I think they were what? Yeah, $129 each. And then these were not on sale. But at Champs, those were on sale, but those were not. I don't know, it's confusing, man. You gotta shop around. Moral of the story is you gotta shop around. So 3 more pair of Hydros. 3 more pair of Hydros, you guys. Gonna be throwing these bad boys on eBay. Alright, let's look at these real quick, you guys. These are the 13s. Hydro 13s. What color is this? Oh, okay. I guess it's white bread. White, black, and red. Sick. Normally $58. You guys got them for $20 in the summer. Dang. And then the second one. These are the Hydro 4s. Hydro 4s, and this is the white breads, I guess. Yeah, white breads. These are sick. Too bad they didn't have the Hydro 13 on my size. $20, that is crazy. At the Topanga Mall out in Woodland Hill, California. Let's go check out the finish line. See what they got. Going off the Cortez is over here. The black, got the white, got the all white. And then the white and red. It's a basketball area. The Jordans on the right, got the regular ones on the left, regular Nikes. Nothing new. Stuff that we saw yesterday. Exact same stuff we saw yesterday. Those are the new Mambas. No deals on any of the hype Jordan slides. Did someone accidentally put 155 for some checks? So that's a mistake. Air Max section here, 270s. Got the other Air Max stuff right here. Looks like the 97s. So those are kind of cool. 95s. The rest of the Air Max. Oh, okay, they got some sales on some of the Vapor Max. That's kind of a sick color. That was not bad. Not bad, you guys. Not bad. Oh, whoa. Look at this. $90. Oh, $90 for some Vapor Max. Not bad. These are some outlet prices right here. Outlet prices. Is this the same one? Oh, I got that one for like 70 something. That's a sick thing, dude. Yeah. $90. Damn. You guys, that Vapor Max for $90, man. Fucking crazy, man. You don't even have to hit up them outlets. You just gotta shop around and waste a bunch of money on gas. I may or may not hit up a few more malls this week. by tomorrow, because the raffles take place on Wednesday. Raffle takes place on Wednesday, so I wanted to try to get one more, go to Burbank or something, but that's not a guarantee because I got life and shit. I've already been to 3 different places, 3 different malls trying to get this raffle. So yeah, we'll see what happens, you guys. I'm gonna take these, throw these bad boys on eBay. Maybe take one of them because one's my size. So maybe take one of them. We'll see. But yeah, if you guys like videos like this, you guys like shooting the shit about kicks, you guys like watching stuff about shoes, you guys like videos of me just checking out different shoe places and whatnot, go ahead, press that subscribe button, make sure you like this video, do all that good stuff. Leave me some comments, let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.